Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the no signal or black screen with low resolution start on Xbox Series XS. The display fix. So the fix one forced the Xbox to start in low resolution mode. So for Xbox Series X, the disc version, you can turn off the console completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Now remove any game disc from the console and press and hold the power button and eject button together. Now keep holding until you hear the second startup beep around 10 seconds after the first. Now release both buttons. So for Xbox Series S, the digital version, turn off the console completely. Press and hold the power button and the pair sync button and continue holding until you hear the second beep, then release the button. The fix 2, you can change the display resolution. Once you can see the Xbox dashboard, you can press the Xbox button on your controller. Go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on General. Now click on TV and Display option. Now choose a resolution supported by your TV such as 1080p, the 144p and 4K UHD only if your TV support it. Now restart the console after changing the resolution. Now fix 3, perform a complete power cycle. So hold the power button for 10 seconds until the Xbox shut down. Now unplug the power cable from both the console and the wall outlet. Then wait at least 30 to 60 seconds and plug everything back in and turn on the console. The fix 4, check the HDMI connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is fully inserted. Then connect the cable to the Xbox HDMI output. Then verify TV is using the correct HDMI input. Then inspect the cable and port for dust, bent pins or physical damage. If available, try another HDMI cable. So the fix 5, try another HDMI port or display. So connect the Xbox to another HDMI port on your TV. If possible, connect the Xbox to a different TV or monitor. If the picture appears on another display, the original TV or HDMI port is likely causing the issue. The fix 6, bypass AV receiver and HDMI splitter. So disconnect those devices. Connect the Xbox directly to the TV. Once the display works, reconnect external devices one at a time to identify the source of the problem. Now the fix 7, display unsupported video frame. So go to the settings, then tap on general. Now you will find here TV and display options. Then here select video mode and disable any features your TV may not support such as 120Hz, variable refresh rate, allow 24Hz or Dolby Vision for gaming if is unsupported. Then restart the console and test again. The fix 8, update your Xbox. So connect the Xbox to the internet, then go to settings, then click on system. Now tap on update. Now install any available console update and restart the Xbox after the update complete. Now the fix 9, reset the console and keep games and app. So go to settings, then system, then console info. Now click on reset the console. Then select reset and keep my games and app. And now follow the on screen instruction. Now the fix 10, contact Xbox support. So if your Xbox still not showing no signal, a black screen or only boot in low resolution mode after trying all the fixes, you can simply contact the Xbox support for further troubleshooting or to arrange a repair. Now first you can visit the official Xbox support page. Now sign in with your Microsoft account linked to your Xbox. Now select your Xbox Series XS and choose the issue you are experiencing. So goodbye and thanks for watching.